rule, brand new rule. Well, I'm gonna post when I feel like it, because, or if I do remember. I forgot to post yesterday. As you all can tell. I forgot to edit it too. So, you guys don't get 2 videos today, I suppose. Did you shot right here? You know it's old. Okay. Harold's Gucci. Not his buckler. Jeez. Sorry. My brain's so... I'm sleeping. I don't know. I'm quite tired and I can't articulate words. It's called I had a week before. Unwanningly. Bird. What's up? In the chicken cage. Stop. He's right there. He's right there. Oh my god. Exciting. He's in my warm there. Yo, you good? Oh. Shit. Okay. I guess if he wants to stay, he can stay. You trying to look for food or not? He's still here. Didn't fly. He's just... Oh, Jesus. He's on the fence now. Okay, bye. I was saying... Okay, I need to have a debate for you guys. Which flavor is better? Kool-Aid edition. Cherry or grape? Okay, I'm gonna list a few different ones. I'll have to say ignore. Wrong house. Right house. Actually, that is the right house. Either fruit punch, normal fruit punch, the grape, or cherry. Did you hear it? If you wanna, let's see how many comments I can get. Personally, okay, she's attempting to attack it this morning. Give me this shit. Stupid! In yours. I mean, it was theirs, but it's not. Get your nose in there. But the rest of them, they're really good. They're good, but not as good as our good old OG. So I'm still gonna attempt to figure out how to do the voting, and I will go autistic on you guys for a whole video. I'm gonna have to make this quick. One moment. I'll get back. No one. I just had to sprint to the house real quick. Yeah, but I will go autistic on you guys if you do say which flavor is better. I will have a whole ass video explaining the history of that one flavor of Kool-Aid. I do have gotcha because don't... Okay, I'm gonna say this right here, not right now. If you have gotcha, don't make all that weird shit. I get it, you might do it in the beginning, but fuck, don't do it. It just gets weird. Yes, it might look interesting. No, it's not. Please don't make it. And if you do, pray to Jesus. Pray to someone, bro. Or to stop. You can make videos, you can make anything you want. Personally, I find I see the people who actually do make the gacha videos. I see them as gods. That shit takes hours. What I do, it takes like 20 minutes. Still impressive for me, but for them, geez. Does not matter if it's good, bad, Buckley status, but I do have Gacha Life 2 and Gacha Club. I usually make them to make my little guys or express myself with myself. Or me and my friends are just make little guys together. But if you guys would like, I want to try turning the S into Bob. I haven't shown Bob in a while. I can't not find the Bob purse bag I had. Cannot find it. But chicken. But I'm gonna have to actually post this because I have a good memory now. No, I don't. But still. But as well, my partner really wants me. Oh shit, yeah, I forgot. I didn't want to tell you guys immediately, but my partner really wants. I'm still getting to voice acting, I think. I know how to voice act, it's just odd for me to be actually asked. But you guys gonna ponder. Right. You know what I mean? The bird comes to visit. Bird comes to visit. Right.